So today's video is on how to use Lucky Patcher. Yeah, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. So that's the app. I'm going to get your games for free. Analysis bet. That's it. So I'm going to launch it and check if there are games available at the moment. The VIP games if they are available. So that's it. That's the ticket of the day. Oh, okay. It seems there is no games available. There are no games available. So we now go to the VIP and go to Elite VIP. You see, the VIP is unavailable at the moment. So we are now going to purchase that for free. So subscription now you see unavailable. So now let's go to our app which is called Lucky Patcher. I'll put the link in the description below. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment. If you don't understand it, just comment or you can chat me privately. And also we have a WhatsApp group you can join. The link will be in the description also. So that's the app Lucky Patcher. I'm going to launch it and then start our work. So analysis bet, that's what we are going to use today. That's it. Google has found in-app purchase found. So we are going to hack the in-app purchase. So menu of purchase, that's where we have to go now. Menu of purchase, tap on it. After the menu pops up, tap on menu of purchase. Then now go to Apk Rebuild, which is the fourth one. Yeah. So that's it. Apk Rebuild. We are going to tap on that also. Another menu is going to pop up. Then now tap on rebuild the app. Rebuild the app. Okay, it takes a lot of time, so I'll pause the video for a minute, then return when it's done. You are going to experience the same thing as it is doing now. So after everything, then you tap on browse. Although it failed because I used to hack their system or purchase their games for free, so they will say failed, but all the same it will come. So after tapping on browse, you now go to analysis bet, tap on it, and now tap on uninstall and install. Uninstall and install. Now tap on yes to uninstall the app and then install the hacked one rather. So now tap on OK. Please kindly like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post in a new video. Don't forget to comment. So we are now installing the app. Subscribe to my channel for me, please. Now tap on open to launch the app, the hacked one. So we are launching it. Let me turn on my data. Now go to VIP and check if the Elite games are now available and it can be purchased for free without paying the amount. So as you can see, for the free safe picks, which is free tips, there are no games available also. So the Elite, I guess the Elite will also have no games available at the moment, but that's how it works. So don't tap on any of the two, just tap on yes so that you'll be able to purchase again the next day. So you now tap on yes. Tap on yes. It's now loading. Let's check if there are games available. Okay, there are no games available, but if your app you are using has games available at the moment, you can see their predictions for free. Yeah, so that's how it works. Let me go and check their old tips and see if they had games for that day. So it's now loading. Let's wait for it to load. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, please. So that's the games they had. Yeah, on the 23rd of April. That's the games they had. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel, please. So that's how to use like Apk Chat to hack in app purchase. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share and